Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all have been doing great. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe on how to make ham. If you're wondering how to bake ham, the first thing you must know is the ham is most likely already cooked. So now you don't have to worry about handling raw meat. All you need to do is just get right into the video and get started with your preparation. If you have thermometer, go ahead and get it ready. But if you have been cooking for a while and you can guess with your eyes, go ahead and let's get started with this video. So get your rack and your baking tray ready and set your ham in. What we have on the ham, we have some coconut oil, black pepper, and that's all. And then to our potato, we just did the same thing. Rub in some coconut oil and some black pepper. We are going to let it start cooking. You can insert your thermometer at this point. I'm going to set this in the oven for about 1 hour 55 minutes because this is about 10 pounds size ham. All right, and then I'll show you what the end result is going to look like. Stay tuned. Wrap it with the foil paper because I want it moist on the inside. I don't want it to burn on the top of it. We're going to set it into the oven and allow it to cook for about 1 hour 55 minutes. I'll say 2 hours or thereabouts. This is like after 2 hours 30 minutes. So I'll check my potatoes. My potatoes are not yet cooked. I'm going to cut them in, but I want to show you what I'm doing. If you have ham glaze, go ahead. I'll go ahead and glaze it with this. Okay, you can go ahead and do this. This will make your ham come out very, very delicious. I'm showing you another way you can go about your ham without using like the regular Nigerian peppers. You all know how I make my ham, but this is a request. I'm making a request recipe, and that's why I'm showing you what I am doing. So you can go ahead and use this. I'll show you other items. So I'm going to put it back in the oven after adding all of these beauties. This is just to infuse deliciousness to this ham. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to glaze it with my lemon. Go ahead and glaze it with your lemon. So go in with your lemon juice. Add it in like so. Your ham is going to come out very flavorful and very healthy, which is the most important part here. So I've gone ahead to cut in my potatoes. I've gone in to cut my potatoes. This is what I did. I'm going to sprinkle some black peppers. I'll add some more coconut oil. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Guys, you can go ahead and make your own glaze. I have some cloves in here in this glaze, and I have all the beauties. You can use sugar, you can use pineapple juice, but I choose to go healthy. You guys know I like to eat healthy. Spread it around and make sure it's evenly distributed. I went in with a little bit of coconut oil on all of the potatoes, just to make sure it cooks evenly. And I added a little bit here just to give it some beautiful flavor. I love coconut oil. Look at that. I so love that it has black pepper and cloves and all of those good stuffs. I love pineapple a lot. So next, I'm going to put my pineapples like so. Just decorate it with my pineapples. That will infuse deliciousness. The pineapples will infuse deliciousness. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of my lemon. Add some of my lemon on top of it. Look at how beautiful. We'll see what the end will be like. I'll put it back in the oven for about 30 minutes and then we'll see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Is this something you want to try? If you want to try this, go ahead, watch this video and come back to say thank you, Gucci's, for sharing this simple method on how to bake your ham. This is a beautiful recipe, and trust me, it is something you want to make for your family, get together, Thanksgiving, and those beautiful occasions in your family. So guys, let's check. So guys, remember to put your ham back in the oven after you have beautified it with your glaze or sugar, syrup, whatever you have prepared for this ham. Go ahead, glaze it and put it back in the oven. Let it cook for extra 20 minutes or 30 minutes depending on the size of your ham, and that will give you a beautiful, delicious ham that you will enjoy. We went ahead to enjoy this with some potato, roasted potato, and trust me guys, this came out very delicious. Look at this beautiful ham recipe. This is something you want to try. And thank you for watching. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful. How? Ciao, ciao.